Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I am unboxing Nayeon's album. I've actually already filmed this video, but I put a little clip on TikTok and people were kind of rude about how I said her name. I'm sorry if I offended anybody here with her name. It's Nayeon. I was saying Nayeon, and some people were mean and I had to block them. Like, they were being like pretty mean on TikTok. So I just thought I would redo this video saying her name correctly for you guys. This is what it looks like when you open it up. I think I just threw this poster in here. Usually everything is in here. But here's the CD. I don't remember what this poster is. So. Oh yeah, it's all of them at the ATM. I love it. Oh, Chaeyoung. She's my bias. I was saying Geo for the longest time. It is not Geo. It is definitely Chaeyoung. I love her music videos. They're so weird and like, I love them. But you get this OT9 set with every single album that you buy. So here is Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Geo, Mina, Diane, Chaeyoung, Zoe, and then a unit has all of them. I like those ones. I actually do have a few extra. I was going to try to sell on Mercari. So I will link my Mercari down below because I bought a couple of these albums and you get this in every single one. So if you want these, let me know. I am charging for them. Here is the poster. So I thought it was really cool when I opened this, and it's the Nayeon album and the Nayeon poster, because usually it's not like member specific. So I thought this was really cool, especially since like this is my brother-in-law's bias, and yeah. And I also thought it was cool that it came with this. I think this is part of the Walmart exclusive because I've opened others from Walmart that don't have the Walmart exclusive sticker and it doesn't have this type of picture. So I believe this is the Walmart exclusive. I'll hold it this way. And then here is a poster with all of them again. So let's look at the book. I think it's really cute. The little cake theme. I want to know who decorated this cake and the gingerbread man. Like, I want to know who. Only because I think it's kind of fun. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks fun, and I kind of want a cake like that. And then it goes into the songs. There's no more pictures. Here's the back of it. Okay, so it did come with I believe it came with the Nayeon sticker. I thought that was cool. Like, literally everything was Nayeon. And I feel like we traded cards, so some of these aren't ones that came in the album because not a single Nayeon PC was in this album. This is Sana. Yeah, Nayeon. This is the one that I pulled in mine, and I traded them, so I got a Chaeyoung card. Momo. Geo. I wanted this card, but my sister, she actually liked this one, which is kind of shocking. But, yeah, I really like this card. And then Jonghyun. So, yeah, this was everything. I wanted to post this video a week ago, but after what happened on TikTok, I was like, I didn't want to film this at all because I mean, nobody on here has been rude or disrespectful to me, so thank you for that. But, oh, here's what the spine looks like. So it has their name and then the album. Yeah, that's all I have for today. So thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!